Hi, this is Paulette from the Magical Needle, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to free motion quilt. I'm using my Juki single needle machine. It's semi-industrial. It's small. It only has a 9-inch throat. It's great for quilting and also free motion quilting. And I am actually using a ruler foot that I bought separate from the machine. It is the exact brand. It's a Juki brand. It's pretty important to make sure that your ruler foot matches your machine, because if not, then the needle position may not be centered in the ruler foot and you'll have a really hard time free motion quilting. Just wanted to mention that. So then what I do is I put the needle down, I use gloves, and then today I'm going to do some spirals. Spirals are really great to do. They're a lot of fun. You do a loop, you do another loop, and then you could do another loop, or you could make small spirals. I like to do different size spirals. You could add a loop, one loop there if you want, and then do another loop. And then do another spiral, and go around, and there you have it. I hope this inspires you to create something magical.